Okay, here is a Christmas book nook kit. I am loving these little miniature book nooks. I just recently found an interest in them and I love them so far. This assembly size is 11 by 19 by 25 centimeters. And inside is wood, paper, and metal, and it's recommended for 14 and up. Okay, let me open this. Let's take this apart here. We have all the little pieces. Electronics. Ooh. This is felt. Some stars. Okay, and here we have some more stuff. Christmas trees, ribbon, pom-poms. There's felt. Here's some of the paper that we have to cut out. We have a piece of thin plastic, 2 pieces, if you could see that. And then all the pieces come in this plastic. This is wood. They are numbered. Let me bring it to you. I don't know if you can see, but they are numbered. That's the thickness. Then it comes with this manual.